Kids Drawing and Learn.
Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Olive color, red color, pink color, orange color, dark blue color, dark pink color, golden color, violet color, light green color, and light blue color. Now today let's learn small letter alphabets and counting. Now let's start. Small letter A. A is for aunt. Small B. B is for bell. Small letter C. C is for cat. Small letter D. D is for dog. Small letter E. E is for egg. Small letter F. F is for fan. This is G. G is for grapes. Small letter H. H is for house. Small letter I. I is for ice cream. Small letter J. J is for jam. Small letter K. K is for kite. Small letter L. L is for lamb. Small letter M. M is for mouth. Small letter N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for piano. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for snake. T. T is for toy. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for water. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. Now let's start numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. See you next video. Thank you. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.